Guys, for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to combo a blox fruit. First off, you need Sanguine Art and Shark Anchor and Portal. It's so easy to get. And this is the combo. Wait. Oh, failed. Let's try again. You're the boss. And just like that. It's a pretty easy, simple combo. So, if you learned combos in this video, like and subscribe for more videos. Jeron out. Bye.